Back off, Jack.
I wrapped it. It's kind of
I have a
bad.
few finishing touches on this one just because I need a little.
That's okay to me.
I need a little information.
I got the bag, garbage bag, do we?
That's right.
Here, you can use one of these big ones.
Just toss it in there.
Hobby Lobby.
There'll be a bag.
What's that? Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby?
Hobby Lobby, are you serious?
Hobby Lobby.
Ooh, it's wet there.
Yeah,
As the finishing touches.
That's the back of the book. That's the back of the book.
What?
I gotta put those on.
Get the wrapping paper, put it in there.
Ooh, thank you.
Oh, that's a step.
Oh, thank you very much.
Page.
Neat.
Oh wait, don't go so fast. Oh, here.
Just a minute.
Yeah, hey, I can't see the TV.
Paula's
Don't
butt.
need to see the TV.
Let me see. It's story time.
Paula's
Telling
goofy
stories.
head.
Oh, with the finger?
Paula tells the rubber story, and then I wrote the rubber story out.
Paula.
You anyway.
Is that from your 40th or your 65th birthday?
1 year old will tell you.
And then there's your reaction to the rubber story.
Oh, thank
But
you.
there's those last pages there. There's some gifts she got, and I don't know who they're from or what exactly they are. So I wanted you to tell me, and then I'd write it in there on the last couple pages. You're holding up a bell, and then I got to put those little plastic sheets on.
Okay, thank you very much.
That's from Butch.
Do I have to put them on?
These are the
I
same.
don't know. It's from Butch.
It's a swimming suit, ain't it?
These are the same, and I can't remember which was which. That's why I didn't label them, but we have to figure out who gets what
Swimming
size.
suit. Dad said it's a swimming suit.
No.
Like that
It's not
would,
very big.
like
It's a little
Grandpa
package.
would swim.
For what size?
Mom, can you tape us for a change? Well, you're not going to open your
Mike,
Take your
Mike,
special
can you
knife.
sit
Might need
back,
a pair of
bud?
scissors to
Thank
open
you.
that.
Tear it
It's
open.
pretty tough.
Get your pocket knife handy, Larry.
Save your teeth.
I think one of them is one size
Thank
larger than
you.
the other.
And then I think we should make them model them. What do you think?
Not on carpet.
Yeah.
They're ice spikes.
Oh, good. I need them, boy, when it gets snowy.
Yep, put them on the outside of your
Neat.
shoes or your boots. So you got to flip them around. That's the inside
Okay.
actually.
Oh, neat.
Cool.
Thank you.
Good
You
idea.
walk uphill backwards on ice in those things, not slip one bit.
Good.
Uphill
But be very careful if you have them on inside because they will catch. So take them off at the door.
Yeah.
And do you have a pair, Butch?
Yeah, they'll scratch up your floor too.
Does he
use them now?
Yeah, so take them off at the door though.
I need them when I go to
Where
work.
the hell did you get yours over? I can't get over.
Yeah, bite
Come
'em.
here.
Oh, you bit it?
Yeah. Use your teeth.
He didn't see what they were, apparently.
But one of them is one size larger than the other.
Mine
Here's
is
what
right
they
behind
are,
the
Dad.
pole.
Huh?
They're ice put on your shoes for when it's icy.
Spikes.
Ice spikes.
Ice bag.
Ice spikes.
How many are in there?
Hold any ice?
One for each foot.
Ice spikes. Jeez.
How many are in there?
2!
So like even if
One and a half
the
for
bigger
how
size
big your
will go
foot
on
is.
outside of a pair of boots.
My
The smaller
foot
ones
is
will go
about
on outside of a
this
pair of
big.
shoes.
Size 2.
So, but they work magic.
Did you have some? Or when did you
Hey
get them?
Tyler, did you know Barbie
Like
was
when we get
real?
freezing rain and
Was
stuff.
in real life she couldn't walk because she was too
Who
skinny.
else? Who's next? Who has presents for Grandma and Grandpa? Anybody else?
I hold you.
Can I open next?
Alex, you want to help me?
Grandma and Grandpa are going first. Who's got
I hold
presents
you.
for Grandma and Grandpa?
We did ours last night.
This isn't mine. I don't give it to someone.
I'll open
She
it.
gave it to me.
I'll open it.
No.
Oh,
What is
It's
it?
Tyler's it.
Yeah.
Kate only got 2 presents.
You keep
They're
yourself
not
a
for
spare.
her, Ryan.
yeah, that's your spikes in there too.
Set it over
Right,
there.
honey, you're on my hair.
Take
Hey,
it
who's
well without
Katie
it
tape
losing.
us? You tape Katie and she wasn't even on the
Ryan, sit.
What's that one?
I need another snowman.
Yeah, like you need a hole in the head.
Take it out.
Guess what, Dad?
Hey, as long as it doesn't hang on the wall, I'm sure it's not that big.
I got another snowman.
Oh, is it the
for them.
You can.
Two items you gotta get
Oh,
rid
hey,
of.
wait a minute.
Hurry up, there's something ringing in there.
Well, we're thinking about having a garage sale to get rid of some of them, Larry. Larry?
What?
Push the green button, push that button.
Yeah,
Green button.
The green one?
Yep.
Say hello.
Hello? Hello?
Can you hear him?
Busy.
Maybe it waited too long.
Probably.
They'll call back.
They'll call back.
What is it?
This is the cell phone. We got this with the
That's your new
leftover
cell
money.
phone.
The rebate money from your computer.
Carbon
There you go.
monoxide.
Flip it
It's
open,
there.
push a button.
Plug in, no
Push
battery
the green button.
required.
Hello? Hi!
I can tell that voice.
How are you?
It was very Joe's voice.
Yeah.
Real good. We're just now opening up gifts here. Yeah?
Why'd you call it?
What'd you do? Yeah, how did you know? Did you have a certain time you had to call or did somebody call you?
Hi, Grandma.
Oh yeah?
Hi, Grandma.
So, well that's good. That's neat.
Hi.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I got a new little toy here.
Press the hand.
You have to turn it
So,
on
what do you guys do?
Alex,
Just press the hand.
what are you doing? Talking on the phone?
Oh yeah, we just now got done with supper and then we're just now opening up gifts now. So,
Hey, over here, Mom! You're gonna break it. Yo, over here, yo. Yo.
Hello. Hello.
okay,
interested in
okay,
those
you
ice
do that
packs.
then, alright?
Mom.
Alright, thank you. Talk to you later then. Alright, bye-bye.
What's that?
Hi, Grandma.
This is our Christmas present from our
I
kids.
said, who was that on the phone?
Mary Jo.
Oh,
So, just flip it shut and it shuts it off. And we'll show you how it works. It's got numbers programmed in it already.
After bed, okay?
You've got service for at least a year.
Is it my turn?
Good. This is gonna be neat so we can go on
And you use
trips.
that for your long distance too.
Okay,
No more calling long distance on that because your long distance will be paid for on that.
okay.
You've got unlimited nights and weekends like Uncle Bob.
Which means after 9 o'clock.
How many minutes?
And
Or any
you'll have to
weekend,
tell me
you've
all this
got-
after bed, boy. That'll tickle him. You
You've
won't,
got 400 anytime minutes every month.
I won't hear him crap about the long distance phone
There you
calls
go.
anymore.
There you go. Is that nationwide?
It's nationwide, so when you travel,
Anywhere you travel, you can call from wherever you are.
and there won't be any roaming.
Okay, hold on. Look at Dad.
Did you get 2 or 1?
Who is that?
We thought about two, but that'll never take us.
Say cheese.
Cute.
Hold up. Say it again. Alex. Say it again.
So this is from Hallmark?
Did you ever see that commercial?
Yeah, but that's with the snowman and the dog.
That is cute. After we open up
Alex,
gifts,
look again.
I'm going to show you grandkids my new Santa Claus I
I
got.
had it out. Your
We've seen it already.
twisting Santa. Oh.
Oh, she got another one.
My new one.
We're in trouble.
Mom, you think it's a
I'm
Grandma's got a
surprised.
new toy.
I'm surprised you didn't find it or you didn't see it.
I didn't go
They probably
look
saw
at
it
it.
It's
somewhere.
up in the living room.
Does
I'm
it?
going up there.
No.
I'll go.
Hey, Dad,
You'll see
you have
it
one of
after
those? You need one.
What is that?
A CO detector.
That's a good idea.
What's a CO detector?
Carbon monoxide.
bed. Okay.
You
Yeah,
just plug
that
it in
is a
and
good
out.
idea.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Is that Alex? Or what was that? Can I open
If we had a
the
person
snacks?
protecting this house, we'd probably
Okay.
blow up all the use of it.
Anything else? Right
My turn!
Oh
I'm going next then.
Okay.
No, I want
Alex.
to.
You're first.
Look at that.
Don't,
my
don't,
goodness.
Oh
Kimberly.
my god.
Ryan,
move back
other
here.
kids back. Other kids
Right
back.
here.
It's just easier to see.
He knows how to take care of
That's
it.
fine.
My Santa
I'm
Claus.
looking at it.
Alex is a pro at presents.
I like the stand from the
Rip it open,
tripod
man.
still on
Let's
here. I
go.
find
He said
myself over there.
What is it? A box for Christmas? Yeah, a box.
You want it? You better ask if you want it.
Probably play with the box.
He put it out for garbage. You see, he wants
He
your bed
wants
to take
it.
your
I want it.
no.
But we already have that. No.
No, not that. It's different things.
Turn it over, buddy.
We have some things like that, but a lot of different ones.
I knew he had some Crayola stuff, but
Yeah, we have.
Wow.
Well, now we have two.
Alex, is that fine?
Jeremy.
Now we have two?
That's cool. Now we do. We only have one.
Tyler, calm down.
Is that mine?
They're different.
You're right. Right here they go.
Alex, turn around.
Hey guys, stand away so we can see.
it's a nest maker set.
What is that?
That's fun. That's
Alex, what is that?
Jacob, find that.
Jacob, find that. Okay, Alex, look here.
Get that.
That's
Really
good.
like Jacob.
Okay.
Alex.
Can I go next? No, Tyler's next and I'm next. No,
This is my present.
Buddy, you got yours last night from Uncle Butch. You gotta wait till
Alex,
Grandma
show Mommy
gives
again.
gifts.
What?
Show mommy again. Show
Mom,
mommy.
I got Crayola. You really came in a little
name's
box.
on there.
Mama.
Yeah.
No, after they get their
Chop,
present
chop.
One more.
above it.
You will get a present from Grandma and Grandpa
Alex,
Heyman,
one more.
Ryan.
Get going.
Alex,
What about the
One
other
more?
guys?
look at me.
See.
Say, I'm gonna mess up the house.
All right,
big
Alex.
time.
For Tyler.
Hawkeye man?
I want to open up this one
Hawkeye man?
first.
What?
Well, you want that one for, that one's not from Uncle Butch, so that one's from me.
I asked you hi.
Open up Uncle Butch's.
Ran down my battery.
Ooh, cool.
What did I get from you?
Your Iowa Hawkeye
What
jersey.
is that? Tyler?
Dude,
Why did I get a toy?
Tyler, what is that?
hold it up, Tyler.
Oh, look at that.
I want to see your face though, buddy.
You've got another screwdriver. Hey, what did you say today when you opened up your derby car and you had the screwdriver?
Is that flashing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Toilet paper.
Tyler went to the table and opened up his thing and had the
Toilet paper
screwdriver
here.
and he goes,
Okay, Katie, your
I'm
turn.
a man!
That's cool.
Tyler. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Thank you.
Treasure!
There you go.
Still that one.
I'm sorry.
Button maker.
Buttons.
That is cool.
Mom, what's
Hold it up,
Now you can make
Katie.
one for Butch that
Do
says
this
I'm a
and you're in this too.
Hold it up.
Do
Make one
this
for Butch that says I'm a loser.
Tyler, or Alex, give this to Courtney. Give this to Courtney.
Again, Katie. Who's beeping?
Give it to Courtney.
Well, stop it. Is that mine, Alex?
Hey, Butch, on my camera, when the lightning runs down, that means the flash is on, right? It'll flash when needed or flash all the time.
If you have it on automatic, I do many cases.
I'm a stupid.
How do I do it to where it flashes all the time?
This is cool.
I
I got one of those.
in my
I
life.
know how
Okay.
to do it.
Started like 5.
Oh, that one's pretty though.
Cool.
Oh,
Oh, Caitlin and Tyler.
Courtney too.
Whoa, what's that one?
Clue.
it's a jaguar.
Oh, cool.
No, it's a cheetah.
Courtney.
What?
It's a cheetah. It's a leopard. It's
That-
a cheetah.
that's probably a
Leopards
big
have
one,
circles
Courtney.
around.
Bird.
Hey, Courtney, I want to see that when you get that
Leopards
fitting.
have circles around.
The way you get it done faster is you make a line of your thread and
Cool.
Okay, now look this way. So then you don't.
I mean, there's a board game you don't have.
Have you ever saw that book, Tyler?
We had.
Well, yeah.
They're neat.
That'll
You
be
can
mine.
design your own
Ryan
car.
spends hours reading
Another one
them.
that big
You
book?
can design your own.
Yeah.
What's the same? Is that the same? 27 by 40? Yeah, it'll be that big.
The instructions. You have to pick
I'm gonna screw the colors up and like
a paint.
end up
Well,
with red
we know you're
eyes.
gonna have it all messed up, but we just want you to finish it.
I don't think there's red yarn for you to pick.
Is this Paula's good taste gift?
That's just
Ooh.
Courtney.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
She loves the clothes you get. Hold it up, Ray.
That's
I
cute.
like that, Rachel.
You love the clothes Paula gets you.
I like that.
You
can wear with those jeans.
Do I have presents for me?
Okay.
Jeremy said.
No.
Why?
When am I gonna get my other
Gotcha.
presents?
Katie,
Hi, Tyler. Or Alex.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Do you still have your tickle spots?
Hi, I'm Alex.
Tyler, you want to get your godmother her in the Gap bag there? No, in the Gap bag.
Ryan, one of those down there is for Christy.
Where?
Who's your godmother?
Oh yeah, her.
Take it out of the bag.
Okay, you get all finished, you have one of them left.
Or I didn't see that.
It's purplish when it's lit up. It's very pretty.
We're gonna find out.
Not yet.
There's
That's
different
kind of for your
colors in each
birthday.
one.
Thank you.
Welcome.
His birthdays suck.
All right, Kate.
Well, I should have told you to save it for your birthday.
Our Spanish teacher
I am.
says only vacuum cleaners suck.
Yeah. Okay, it inhales profusely.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that is pretty.
Boy, and even the stars in front light up. Very pretty.
That is.
Hails vigorously.
Kind of like your snowman.
You suck.
Snowman that Mona gave you, but there's nothing
Oh, yeah.
fluffy on it.
We gave Mom one last night, too.
It's Santa noodles.
Well, I know about
No.
That's a birthday present, though.
Where'd the other birthday thing go for her?
Courtney, you gotta find some young men out interested in doing that kind of stuff.
Let Paula. The other birthday gift's a birthday gift, but it pertains to Christmas, Paula.
Yeah, so. But Caitlin wanted to get it. Caitlin said, gotta get it.
Yeah.
You can go, Caitlin. Well, here, I was gonna sneak hers home with you and make her wait, but I guess
Remember
I
when we
better
were at
not.
the bowling
But we're not
alley?
gonna be here, that's
We were
why.
hanging out with them.
But yeah,
They still
unfortunately,
on that
it sort of pertains to Christmas too, but Caitlin really wanted to get it.
I really wanted to get it.
Caitlin, here, I was gonna give you a gift till tomorrow.
That's fine.
Oh, get it!
Oh, yeah?
I'm saving the
What kind of a dance is that?
That's heavy paper.
Tyler, what kind of a dance is that?
Tastefully simple something.
Beautiful beer dress.
Drums.
Bountiful beer bud.
Pocket knife.
That must be a
No,
Lucasburg
this
dance.
is the drum. Dad, pocket knife.
Right, sit.
I'll get a pocket knife. I know what it is. I know what it is. Okay, never mind.
Move back, please,
I
Tyler.
know what it is. Ow!
Ryan.
Andy.
Yours is different.
Ah.
Oh, it's got
Turn
the
him on, turn him on.
Oh, you got the dog one. See, that's the one on the commercial.
Mike, you gotta sing along.
That's the one on the commercial.
Sing along, Mike.
That's cute.
Where'd those come from?
I love that.
Where'd those come from?
I won't say anything. No comment on that one. Hey,
See, I ain't the only pervert.
Larry, did you say one for you? Larry,
That is
did you say one for
cute.
you? Did you say one for you?
Hey, boys, knock it off.
You farted.
That one's
I'm
cute.
gonna jump my back.
You must shovel out at Hallmark.
Ow!
We're just a one-stop.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have a garage sale to sell some of this stuff.
Can Grandma be there?
Ready, so I don't have that.
Where's our garage sale, Dave?
I'm ready.
That's why we get rid of it, I think. We have to sell it.
what, Grandma?
Tyler, please sit down. Grandma's gonna do
I
her
can't
gift.
do this. I just
Well,
can't.
you can't do this, Mom.
Give me the present? You did. Who took that from?
These are yours.
From Grandma.
Tyler, please sit down.
No, I get one for Grandma.
Whoa, look at that.
What is it?
Remember, we used to have that puzzle, or like the ABC one. Is that a number one?
Yeah.
Ooh, animal puzzle.
Whoa, Alex, look at that.
You got two puzzles in there. Look at that.
Tyler, give me this, please.
Look at that.
To Alex.
What's
A
this?
giraffe.
Alex, you get another present from Grandma.
Courtney is on his feet. Sicko.
That's a good small.
Butt sniffer, Courtney.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Here, start from right here. Oh, folks.
Courtney, butt sniffer.
He opens it. What is it? It's a chicken book.
Move back, please.
Book?
What do you know? Chicken book.
Woohoo! Hey, Alex, turn it around.
Ooh, a farm book.
It's a flat book. You can. There's something like this at. We're going right now.
Alex, turn it around.
Look up at Grandma, she's gonna take a picture.
Hold it up.
It's not her neck. That's the book.
Not in front of your face, man. There you go. Like that.
Cheese.
Look at Mom.
Those are good books.
Safe.
Okay, you have like the bus or something?
Hey, Alex.
Hey, I think there's one for you, Tyler.
Here, Alex.
Oh my goodness, another one?
Jeez, no fair.
I figure you do better with photo albums than I do. So put out this year's Christmas in there.
Grandma and Grandpa.
Uh-oh.
Toucan. Talking toucan.
That is.
Alex, look.
Alex, look here.
Talking toucan.
Put it down.
And you have to hang it above your kitchen sink too.
Hey, Alex, Mommy.
Larry, you need to mount that above your kitchen sink too.
Who's that?
Why?
Okay, Alex. Talking to
Alex is the dodo bird.
Oh, John is the oldest. He would go first. He's got a million.
Oh.
Can I feel
On
it?
the bottom of the sack, the batteries are in there.
Oh.
For what?
Bird.
I got batteries now.
Bad battery's back.
Batteries back, dodo bird.
The battery's back.
We have double batteries at home.
That's a cute puppy, Alex.
You can sleep with that puppy now.
Give him a big hug.
Jesus, he gets a kissing.
I guess Mary can't read.
Okay, Alex, all done.
Not suitable for children under 5 years of
Say thank
age.
you, Grandma.
Hang them up the sink.
Alex, say thank you.
Ooh, Alex.
It's a hat.
Hey, try it on.
It's a baseball hat.
Look at Alex.
Whoa.
Maybe I'm here.
Gonna have
That's a parrot baloney.
That's all you get.
Hold on.
Say, Dad, put batteries in.
Hold on, okay.
You can make it a little tighter
Do
than
that
that
face
again.
again.
Alex, Tyler, you can make it tighter.
Okay, Tyler.
Nice.
He's not phone or anything.
It's
Tyler.
fine.
Ooh, it's cyclone color, sort of.
It's cyclone. It's cyclone. It's Hawkeye colors. Caddy. Oh,
Going shopping?
$50. More than me.
I think Grandma and Grandpa need big mugs for that.
Whoa!
Man, you could go buy whatever.
Hawkeye stuff with that.
You can buy something that you want. Something nice that you
Grandpa, too.
Can I open my present
Thank you.
now?
Oh my God.
$50.
Ryan, here.
All right.
No fair. But you got more money.
See, now you can go buy one.
That was just a hat.
Grandma gave you money.
You got the money, remember? I told you.
Go get what you want.
It's the ultimate pirate ship.
That's what you wanted.
Wait
It's
a
another
second.
Imagine a Christmas.
It's over 2 feet long.
You need a storage tote for that, buddy.
Tyler, have Grandpa adjust it.
Hi.
And give the money to Mom.
You go tell Grandma and Grandpa Hammond thank you. Go give them a hug.
Just hi.
Tell Grandpa thank you.
It's Casey. It's the Royals.
Ryan, Grandma wants you.
it to your mom or your dad.
I can't.
I want a picture too, Ryan.
I'll never give it to you.
To them, I said.
Put it back in that envelope and I'll hold on to it for you.
Lunch is a loser.
Larry.
Ryan, just a minute.
Ryan.
Nice try.
Ryan.
Tyler, put it in the camera bag over there.
Slowly.
How about that paper?
Sounds like a baby crying.
Alex. Oh, my. Yeah.
Ah,
Those are fun.
you said you wanted a puppy.
Those are fun.
A real one.
Ryan,
That's the closest
I
you're
seen
gonna
your
get.
thing where you wanted a puppy. Bring it here, I'll show you.
How come there's a girl on the outside of the box?
How does it work?
Hey Ryan, Caitlin has a cat like that. They probably bark and cuddle.
Ryan,
Her cat.
Oh, those things are so cute. I got one today.
Tyler, sit down please.
Amanda, Ryan, bring it here.
You might need the batteries.
Hi. Yo,
Is there a flap on the bottom?
Ryan, let Alex play with that. He's fine.
Let's see what he...
There, it's moving.
Go, Ryan.
Oh, he cuddles with you.
Here's your puppy, now listen to it.
Pet it softly.
I can't see. Oh, Ryan, I can't see. Turn around.
It's just like a real one.
You have to read the box. They'll do certain things depending on where you pet them
Aw.
and stuff like that.
Here, oh, there's only...
Hey Ryan, you remember Caitlin's kitty?
I
that she got
heard
that
it.
moves?
That's cute,
Hey,
bud.
pull the tail!
Larry, don't forget your son.
Why don't they just throw it across the room while they're at it?
That's cute, buddy.
We gotta pay the fish already.
Do you have some other things?
That's it.
Watch his ears.
They're
Oh wait, I
No
didn't know you
fair! I only have $40.
That's a certificate.
You're shopping too.
Oh, a bird. It's just like
Oh.
Hey, you forgot to put it in our box.
So, what do they get,
Did you
Caitlin?
hear what she said to you?
Katie, $10!
What's that?
I have $59!
Keep it together. Ryan, keep it together.
That's not being 60.
Too late, sister. I brought you first.
Ryan, here's $10 on the floor. Ryan, give Dad your money.
Thanks for the money.
And keep your instructions to your puppy.
Okay, this is...
He'll take care of
Open
it.
up your
What's
puzzle.
his name, buddy? You gotta name
Open your
him.
puzzle.
Call him
You got
Mr.
two
Bojangles.
puzzles sitting behind you.
No, you wanted your dog to be named Spike.
I'm gonna
Max
call
or
it
something.
Baby, and when he grows up, I'm gonna
You
call
know how long
it...
it took you to
Baby
spend your
Coco.
Christmas money from last year? It was like October.
Oh, Michaela got one.
Good.
What color did you get?
Call him Bugsy.
She's got it.
Can I open my birthday present because I forgot?
Gotta pet it.
What is it?
Can I see?
Hi.